Hi everybody, welcome to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it's always an adventure. I'm Joe Jurek and I'm going to be your host. If you're a return guest, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, who the heck am I? Well, I'm a real estate investor that gets to travel all over the country and work with people just like you, trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. In this video, I'm going to explain my playlist that I've put together for finding and working with realtors. So often people tell me they can't find realtors that want to work with investors, or they can't find good deals that are listed through realtors, or they don't know how to approach or evaluate the realtor. Well, in this play series, I have assembled a bunch of different videos and I put them together in this playlist, and that way you can come and get a lot of good tips, strategies, ideas on finding and working with realtors. So I hope you enjoy that. Now I'll be continuing to add to this playlist, so once you watch it, come back and watch the updated videos. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you go down here where it says subscribe, you'll see my face and a white arrow that says subscribe. Please feel free to do that. If you want to be notified when I put out new videos, up here up top in the corner you're going to see a bell. Just click that bell and that's going to notify you anytime I put out a video. Now I always like including a golden nugget, so thanks for staying with me. What's the golden nugget that I want to include for you in this video? If you are looking for hungry realtors that really want to work hard for you, here are two ideas that I want to share with you right off the top. Number one, call a local real estate office in your area or a few offices and ask who might be on floor duty. Normally when people are on floor duty, they're a little bit hungry. They're looking for clients to build up a customer list, and they're working there basically for free to hopefully have somebody call and that they can add to their client list. The second golden nugget tip would be go to open houses in your area. Here in Florida, I'm pretty blessed in areas that have a lot of properties available, but not only that, we have a lot of open houses throughout the week. So I would go to open houses to meet realtors again. Why is that another tip? Because normally they're babysitting the home, they're there to try to meet people. So if they're sitting there trying to meet people and I can come in and talk to them about the market, that's going to help me. So once again, get out there, watch this playlist. Please leave comments, thumbs up, and love hearing from you about deals, realtors, any other tips you want to leave on the comment below. Feel free to do that. So get out there and make those dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.
Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care. Yeah!